How to use annotation in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application and I am already logged in. So for example, you have a meeting right here in Teams. You can use annotations to interact with each other and like apply some text to the screen or draw some different doodles or lines. So to do that, for example, I can go to the calendar. I can click Meet Now to start an instant Teams meeting. I can click Start Meeting. And then let's go ahead and join the meeting. So now we have this meeting right here. So I will copy this link so that I can also go to the meeting using my different account. So from here in the browser, I'm using a different Teams account. I can paste the link and then I can join the Teams meeting using this browser. So from here, let's just wait for it to be loaded properly. So now we are in the audio and video settings. Click join now and then we can join the Teams meeting right here. And then what we can do is that we can use annotations. So to do that, we can click share and then we can go ahead and use annotations in different ways. We can use the Microsoft whiteboard right here so that we will have this whiteboard and then we can go ahead and start with a blank canvas, or if you want to use other templates right here, you can do that as well. But I will just use a start with blank canvas. Now I can go ahead and draw anything in this whiteboard right here. And then, for example, like that, or I can put some text. For example, let's put annotation right here. And then you can do a lot of things, like you can put like emojis and like this post-it note right here. Like for example, you can put the different things right here. And then when I go back to my browser, and then we also have the whiteboard right here. So this will be the perspective of the different participants in your meeting. And then they can go ahead and also contribute to the whiteboard right here so that they can go ahead and annotate different things. Like you have the different highlighters right here, or pens, or the different styles that you can use. Then you also have like lasers, and then you have this eraser, and then you also have a ruler, and then you can also lasso select like objects like that. So just go ahead and explore the different things right here. So you can do a lot of things right here in the whiteboard. And as I said, you can use this to collaborate with the different participants right here. So maybe you are brainstorming something, so you can go ahead and use annotations to interact with each other. And then what you can also do, instead of using the whiteboard, we can also use our screen. So for example, I'll just share a window so that it's easier to see. So for example, I'll just use my screen that I have right here, and then I can click annotate so that we can use annotation. Then we have the same thing, like we have the different features, or like the different elements right here that we can use. You can also capture a snapshot of your annotations, like if you already have like all of your ideas right here already put in the annotation. Like for example, you can put like different lines right here, different highlights, and then different text. And then you can change how it looks, you can change the color, you can change the size, and so on. And then that will also be seen in the other participants' perspective. And then they can also go ahead and contribute to the screen right here to annotate. And then now you can see right here. What you can also see is that there is also the different cursors in the annotation. So for example, like this, you can see the cursor of my other account right here in the browser. So you can see all of the people that is annotating right here in your annotation. And then that is basically it. So you can also go to the settings right here, so that if you want to be the only one that can annotate right here to the screen, so that different users cannot go ahead and mess up the annotation. So just go ahead and choose what you prefer. And then you also have the collaborative cursors right here. So the collaborative cursors is their cursors right here, which you can see their name. But if you turn that off, it will just be removed. And then you can also enhance ink shapes and so on. And then that is basically it. So you can use annotations right here to collaborate with your participants in the meeting in real time. So I hope you learn how to use them, and thank you for watching.